Please join me in welcoming our veterans as our Candeo students introduce their special guests. Please raise your flags now and continue to silently wave them as our veterans are introduced and escorted to their seats.
My name is Wes, and this is my grandpa.
My name is Vernon Wolfley. I served in the U.S. Army from 1974 to 1984.
My name is Paisley Beecher. This is my papa, Larry Beecher.
My name's Larry Beecher. I served in the Marine Corps from 69 to 70.
Hi, my name is Tessa Beers, and this is my this is my papa, Edwin Delp.
Ed Delp in World War II, served in the U.S. Navy Naval Destroyer.
I'm Khadija. This is my uncle, and he served 21 years and 10 days in the Air Force.
Good morning, everyone. Houston Hunt, and I want to say a special thanks for the Marines that gave the ultimate sacrifice at the Chosin Reservoir. I'm so proud of them. Thank you.
My name is Zoe, and this is my Grandpa Joe.
Thank you, Zoe. Joe Johnson, retired U.S. Navy, 24 years.
My name is Cooper Hooks, and this is my Grandpa Ben Gardea.
Good morning, Ben Gardea, 21 years, U.S. Army National Guard, 15 years.
I'm Piper, and I'm Nolan, and this is my grandpa Steve.
Steve Wall, U.S. Air Force, retired, 20 years.
I'm Annika Shute. I'm Cadence, and this is my grandpa.
I'm Corporal Jack Klein. I served in the Army in World War II from 1945 to 47. Thank you very much. I'm a tanker.
We're the Sanders and the Polano family. This is our Grandpa Sam.
Sam Polano, United States Army, 2 years.
My name is Jackson. This is my grandpa. This is my grandpa.
I'm Papa Tom. Tom Reynolds.
My name is Addison. This is my grandpa, John Reeseman.
Thank you, girls. I was a navigator in the Air Force for 10 years, most of it during the Vietnam conflict, and was there several times. Thank you.
My name's Austin. My name is Sophia, and this is my grandpa, Richard Simpson. He was in the United States Air Force for 4 years.
Proud to be here today.
My name is Evie Fredlake, and this is my grandpa, Bob Robert Highcomb.
Robert Highcomb, U.S. Army, Vietnam, 66 to 69.
is my dad.
And you are?
And I am Katie.
Brad Gillard, United States Air Force, 4 years.
Hi, my name is Brenna, and this is my grandpa Tony.
Hello, I'm Grandpa Tony. Air Force total 4 years, 2 years in Vietnam.
Hi, my name is Emily, and this is my grandpa and my dad.
Troy, United States Marine Corps, 3 years.
Gary, Michigan National Guards, 1961.
My name is Emma, and this is my dad.
Hello, my name's Kevin, 26 years in the Air Force, retired out of Luke Air Force Base.
My name is Colby. My name's Peyton, and this is our grandpa.
Air Force, 4 years.
My name's Chloe, this is Charlie and Colton, and this is our papa.
Charles Williams, 3 years in the Army, 1 year in Vietnam. Thank you.
My name's Natalie, and this is my sister Ashley, my brother Justin, and my grandpa.
Ted Kistner, 20 years, U.S. Army.
My name is Brindley, and this is my uncle.
Hello, I'm Jason Fenn. I served 8 years in the U.S. Air Force as a weather forecaster.
My name is Coleman Chanella, and this is my grandfather, Rick Siegel.
Yeah, U.S. Army, Europe, 1966 to 69.
My name's Harlan, and this is my Uncle Gary.
United States Army and United States Army Reserves, 7 years.
My name is Lauren, and this is my uncle and my brother.
Hi, I'm Dick Johnson. I served in the United States Navy from 65 through 69.
Good morning, David Lindstrom, U.S. Army, 4 years.
My name is Ella, and this is my grandpa.
Dwight Weiss, 4 years, Army, 68, 69, Vietnam.
My name is Matthew Nazar, and this is my granddad.
George McDermott, U.S. Army, served 2 years. Thank you. Happy to be here.
My name is Macy Brawley, and this is my grandpa, Gary Brawley.
Gary Brawley, United States Army for 2 years, served in Vietnam.
My name is Anthony, and this is my dad.
My name is Ray Gonzalez Jr., United States Air Force Security Forces, end of Desert Storm and Iraqi Freedom, 7 years.
Hi, my name is Bentley, and my name is Bobby, and this is my dad.
Good morning, Brad Schaefer, United States Air Force, 4 years, Operation Enduring Freedom and Operation Iraqi Freedom.
I'm Joel Thurston, and this is our good friend, Mr. Dave Olander.
Hi, my name is Dave Olander. I served in the Coast Guard for 4 years and the United States Army for 6 years.
My name's Crystal, and this is my grandpa, Terry.
Hello, my name's Terry. I served in Vietnam 68 to 70.
My name is Sophia Pribble, and this is my Uncle Joe.
4 years in the Navy. Just want to give a firm salute to everyone that was a veteran and everyone at this assembly putting this on for us. Thank you very much.
All right, we'd like to introduce Noah and Jess Acosta. Thank you. And Noah, he was in the Army.
My name is Abby. My name is Kyle. And this is my granddad.
Thank you, and thank you all at Candeo for inviting me to this prestigious event this morning. I'm a U.S. Air Force, 20 years, avionics maintenance, and stationed at places like Anderson, Guam, Incirlik, Turkey, Yokota, Japan, and Landstuhl, Germany. Thank you.
I'm Jasmine. I'm Paige. I'm Elizabeth. And this is our grandpa, Jim Wheeler.
Good morning, Jim Wheeler, United States Air Force, 1966 through 1969. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Maggie. Meet my dad.
Hi, my name is DeMarcus. I served 8 years in the Navy. I was explosive handler. Did 2 tours in Iraq. Thank you for coming out.
My name is Coleman, and this is my grandpa.
Good morning. My name is James McCollum. I served 22 and a half years in the Navy as an aircraft mechanic.
Hi, my name is Briggs. My name is Josie, and this is our grandpa, Colonel Benjamin Blackham.
I served 37 years, 8 years in the Marine Corps, 29 years in the Air Force. I get so old I can't add anymore. Thank you.
My name is Mrs. Cannon, and this is my friend Jeff Burnchin.
Jeff Burnchin, 6 years, United States Army, Operation Iraqi Freedom.
All right. My name is Noah Prince, and this is my great uncle Wyatt.
Hi, Lyle Matthews here. Question: what's older, the United States Marine Corps or the United States? Somebody behind me said Marine Corps, and they're right. Today is the 241st birthday of the United States Marine Corps. So go Marines.
Happy birthday, Marines!
My name is Alexa. This is my grandpa and my uncle Drew.
I'm Walter Palmar. I served in Germany for 18 months, in 63 to 65, and then 2 years in the active reserve.
Hi, I'm Andrew Barris, served 4 years active duty U.S. Navy in Washington, D.C.
My name's Dresden. This is my grandpa.
My name is Dennis O'Brien, 2 years U.S. Army.
My name is Cole, and this is my grandpa.
My name is Jerry, and I was a Navy corpsman for 4 years.
My name is Emerson. My name is Griffin.
These are my grandkids. My name is Bruce Warren, U.S. Navy, World War II, South Pacific, 1943 to 46.
I'm Catherine Marin, and this is my dad.
Good morning, United States Army, 22 years, retired.
Hi, my name's Jessica, and this is my sister Taylor, and this is my dad.
Hi, Tim Galladay, 5 years, U.S. Navy.
Wave your flags.
On behalf of Candeo students, teachers, staff, Dr. Musser, welcome veterans, and thank you for spending your morning with us. Are we missing anyone? Anybody else that would like to join our largest crowd at our Veterans Day Assembly? This is exciting. There are veterans that could not be here today, and we would like to take a moment to honor them as well. And students have made a poster for that family member that is a veteran in their family. So if you have a poster, could you stand up and hold that poster high, and we would like to wave our flags and honor those veterans. Thank you very much. Take a seat. At this time, I would like to welcome the Candeo School Boy Scouts from various troops to post the colors and lead us in the Pledge of Allegiance.
Please stand for the presentation of the colors. Scouts attention. Color guard attention. Color guard advance. Post colors. Scout salute. Will the audience please join me in saying the Pledge of Allegiance? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you. Your audience may be seated.
Thank you, Boy Scouts. I'd like to ask you to stand one more time as we join the middle school students and sing the Star Spangled Banner together. Keep moving, sorry. I'd like to invite any family members or parents. There are many bleacher seats still available if you'd like to take a seat with us today. It is such a blessing to live in the United States of America. Would kindergarten and first grade please stand up and sing God Bless America.
Thank you, kindergarten and first grade. My name is Mrs. Pinnell, and I am a middle school literature and composition teacher. A few weeks ago, I introduced middle school to a Veterans Day essay contest. And what was neat about this contest was it's completely optional. There was no reward that was going to be given to our middle school students other than to give them a chance to express their gratitude for our wonderful veterans that serve our country so selflessly. So I would like to introduce a very special Veterans Day topic, and it was called The America I Believe In. And the students were given this topic because they were asked to develop their knowledge on the America that they know. And as your teaching staff sat down this past Monday and reviewed their beautiful words, we were frequently touched by the spirit that exists in our Candeo students. So I would like to introduce you and congratulate our winner of the Veterans Day essay contest. And she's going to come up here and read to you her very special heartfelt words. Kate Shepard.
Freedom. America is a land of hope, independence, and opportunity, but the America I believe in is a land of freedom. Anywhere in America, you have the freedom to choose what you do and to freely make your own choices. That is most certainly the America I want to believe in. To begin, the First Amendment to the Constitution states, Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, or abridging the freedom of speech or of the press. All the citizens of the U.S. have the freedom to speak, write, or worship however they choose. I am proud to have this right that others may not have, and I am proud to say that, if nothing else, I am free. I believe in an America where no one can take this right of freedom away. In summary, freedom is certainly the part of America that I believe in. Additionally, I believe in the America where people care about freedom and people are willing to fight for freedom. In school, we have learned about the Revolutionary War, for example. The whole reason this war was fought was for freedom from Britain. The Civil War was fought for the freedom of slaves. All of our veterans today were or are out on the battlefield fighting for freedom for us in other countries. I believe in the America that sends troops to fight for our freedom, and in the America that believes freedom is important and that others deserve freedom too. Lastly, the America I believe in is one that openly welcomes others to the land of opportunity because others need freedom. In the early days of America, Pilgrims, Quakers, and other religious groups came to America seeking freedom of religion, and I am proud to say that they got it. Later, during the waves of immigrations in the 1800s, people came to America for freedom of religion and freedom from economic struggles. These people came looking for freedom, and because of the Constitution, they were able to gain freedom. I believe in an America where men and women can reside for freedom and where they can be openly welcomed into this country. I believe in an America where freedom is valued above all else. I believe in an America that is free.
Kate, thank you very much. That was excellent. Now we're ready for our second grade students. If you would rise, you have a special song to sing when Johnny comes marching home. Third grade students, you have a song, Home of the Brave.
Face of pain and trial.